Good day, grade 9. This is your 3D shapes for the 16th of April, class 1, exercise 1 on page 13. So you had to read through the information and then do the exercise. And the first question is, for each of the following polygons, draw a net and state the number of faces. So we are drawing a net of this rectangular prism. So you can use any measurements, but I'll just point out the important stuff. The important thing is that this pink one has to be the same size exactly as that pink one. And then also, it's important that this yellow one is exactly the same size as this yellow one. And this blue one is the same as this blue one. There's also more ways to draw this net. Just make sure that you are correct. Now, this and this side is supposed to be the same because I have to think when I close it, it's going to go next to one another. So if I had to, now this thing is unfolded, but if I have to refold it into a polygon, then I need to have these sides the same so that they can fit exactly onto one another. And it has 6 faces. Then next I have this one. Oh, okay, this one also has 6 faces. All of these are different. None of these rectangles are the same, but what has to be the same are the pink sides. They have to fit onto one another, the green sides and the blue sides. Just check that yours are the same. It's important. Okay. Then I have the rectangular pyramid. All of the rectangles, all of the triangle sides have to be exactly equal. And this has 5 faces. So check that yours looks like that. Alright. Now they ask us to determine if Euler's law, with Euler's law we have to determine if things are polyhedrons or not. Okay, so let's look at that. Euler's law is vertices plus faces is equal to edges plus 2. So we have to add the vertices and faces and see if it equals the edges plus 2. So they gave us 12 vertices and 4 faces. 12 vertices plus 4 faces is equal to 16. And then I take the edges, 14 plus 2 is 16. So yes, it will be a polyhedron. Just ignore the Afrikaans that I also have in this document. Then number 2, 16 plus 6 is equal to 22 because 16 vertices and 6 faces gives me 22. Then they give me 20 edges. 20 plus 2 is 22. So yes, it will be a polyhedron. So if I get the same answer for the vertices plus faces and the edges plus 2, if I get the same answer, then yes, it will be a polyhedron. The last one is 18 vertices and 3 faces gives me 21. Then they give me 17 edges. 17 plus 2 is 19. No, this will not be a polyhedron. Then number C, they ask us to verify Euler's law for the following pyramids. Then they give us the triangular pyramid, the square pyramid and the rectangular pyramid. Okay, what's Euler's law again? Don't look at the top one, that's Afrikaans. We're looking at the bottom one, that's English. vertices plus faces is equal to edges plus 2. Okay, so first I'm going to find how many vertices, how many faces, how many vertices, and how many edges each of them have. So if I count the faces, it's 4. The vertices are these 1, 2, 3, 4 vertices, and then the edges will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 edges. So there I have that. Then I have to verify Euler's law. So I get the vertices plus the faces is 4 plus 4, and that's 8. And then I take the edges plus 2 is 6 plus 2, and that's also 8. So yes, Euler's law is valid. Then I do the same for the square pyramid. I check how many faces, how many vertices, and how many edges it has. So the faces is 5. The vertices 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the edges 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 edges. Now I have to verify the law. It's 5 plus 5 is equal to 10, and 8 plus 2 is also equal to 10. So yes, Euler's law is valid. Okay, then for the rectangular pyramid, the faces, the vertices, and the edges. Let's count them. The faces will be 5. And let's count the vertices 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the edges 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 edges. So it's kind of the same as the square one. 5 plus 5 is 10, and 8 plus 2 is also 10. So yes, Euler's law is valid. And that's it for your day 11 work. Please, if you have any questions, email your teacher. The teacher's email addresses are on the website.